My name is Saurav Krishnan V, and today I am going to show you how to install Pycharm on Windows 10. So in this video we'll be installing the newest version of Pycharm, that is 2021.1, and straight away we can go to our favorite web browser of all time, that is Google Chrome, and we can paste in the link which is given down in the description. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just type in PyCharm download. Okay, then you can press enter and go to this website, and then you can click on download community edition. This is the free and open source edition, but whereas for the professional one, you'll have to pay some money. So I'm going with the community edition, which is good for starting up with Python and all. And I do prefer this more than the professional edition, because we are just starting over. Now click on download here. There you go. We'll start the download and go here and paste in PyCharm installer, and boom, it will get downloaded in a few minutes. It will not take much time, and we'll be right back with the video. Okay, now it is done, and you can go and open it. Click on this, you will get do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? Click on yes, and after that should load up. Okay, there you go. This setup will guide you through the installation of PyCharm Community Edition. Click on next, and I don't think I have a necessary reason to change the folder where this is going to be installed, so I'm going to click on next. And then here is where you have to be very careful with. Mine is a 64-bit computer, so I am going to click on this, and I'm going to check this also, and I don't want to check this. And if you ask why, because in all my Python files over here will be opened with this PyCharm. So I don't want that. I want it to be opened with the Python app. So, and this one also, I don't want to add this folder, this thing to the path. I have already added Python and all to the path, so I don't want this to be there. And that's all. We can check these two boxes, and they can click on next and install, and it will take some time, but not take long. So we can see when this is installed. Okay, there you go, and you have this installed. You can see over here, this is a shortcut which is created, and if you want, you can click on run PyCharm, and you can click on finish. There you go, and it will take some time. What I will tell you that when you first install PyCharm, it will take time, but later on when you go with it, it will not take that much time. So in here, yes, I confirm that I have read and accepted the terms of this user agreement, and continue. And there you see, you can get the new design of PyCharm 2021.1, and it will load up. And if you have any errors in till this part, please tell me through the comments. I always read the comments, and you can be free and open, and I will be making a new video on the problem that you got. New project, and then type any name you want, for example first project or hello world or something, and over here you can type in hello, something like that, and you can just click on create on the bottom, because you can't see it because my camera is covering it,
but in your screen, if you just check this out, you can see that create button down there, and you can click on create. But for me, I have already created a file a project for this course, so I do not want to make another one. So I'm just going to go with this one. Okay. So you can just double click on this and it should load in a few minutes.
So here we got Pycharm, and it will be having lots of lines of code in the first file that you see. You can just press L to say and delete all those files, all those lines of code, which are not kind of necessary right now. So here you can see the main.py file. This is where we are going to write our piece of code. So we can just type hello world. So there you go. So get that result, and you can just click on this run button over here. And suppose you want to create a new file, and then you can just go to your project name where you can see this, and you can right click on new and go to Python file, and here you can type the new file. So there you go. So here you can just print welcome to my Python project. Okay, and after that, if you just click on a run button, you do not get this result which you type over here. Why? Why are you not getting this result of this line of code? The answer is very simple. You have not selected this file to run. So you can go ahead and right click on a blank space in here, and you can click on run the new file. So you just get that result over here, and now you can click on run, and when you see that your file name is over here, or it is shown over here, that means you are running this file. And if you select main, you get the result of main. If you select the new file, you get the result of the new file, just like that. So it is very easy to deal with all these things, and Pycharm is the best IDE that you can download. And there are lots of other IDEs, VS Code, Sublime Text, but for our course, we are going to do with Pycharm. If you can do try with another IDEs, but if you want to follow along with the course completely, then you can do this. So you can minimize that. And the next question is, how do we change the theme to black and this black and you can say white? And you can click on file and settings, and you will see the appearance section. You will select Intel J Light, or you can select Dracula, which is black. So I prefer the white theme because as a content creator, that is much better to the audience. But if you are a developer or you are spending so much time in front of the computer typing lines of code, then you can use the dark theme, which is good for your eyes. So we can just click on OK, and there you go. And that's pretty much everything for this video, and we can see again in the next video on some typing on Pycharm. Thank you and have a nice day.